Hi everyone, my name is Aaron Anderson and this is my presentation. Our lecture material, narrated by Professor Simon, includes references to some well-known enterprise system failures such as Hershey's and Hewlett-Packard. My assignment was to perform an internet search to find and briefly describe two other examples not covered in our lecture slides. As a result, I discovered two high-profile enterprise system failures that I would like to share with you. The crux of this presentation is an organization's dreams often turn into horror stories. As we have learned, implementations of enterprise systems are intended to lower operating costs and streamline operations. Unfortunately, many implementations result in huge monetary losses, lawsuits, and/or disastrous careers. On the other hand, examining these failures can help us learn what happened as well as why it happened. The first example I would like to examine is Nike's rebound from a logistics disaster. In 2000, Nike decided to improve upon their supply chain by adopting i2 Technologies' demand planning software. However, a noticeable problem arose. Misestimating a market demand impacted Nike's core business process. Instead of submitting orders for the popular Jordan brand, the software requested orders for a less profitable product. This software glitch, referred to as a speed bump, was worth $400 million in the end to Nike. The reported amount in dollars lost was $100 million, Nike's stock price dropped 20%, and class action lawsuits shortly followed. In short, the software did not support Nike's business model. So how did Nike rebound from this failure? Happily, Nike's business plan was well understood and accepted at every level. In addition, Nike's demand planning strategy, according to Nike's Vice President of Global Operations and Technology, Roland Wolfman, continues to be a mixture of art and technology. In other words, the combination of the two has helped Nike rebound. The second case I would like to explore is Avon, an example of how enterprise systems are being revolutionized. In 2013, Avon decided to revamp their management order system. However, I feel it's important to note, prior to the ordering system decision, in 2011, Avon's Brazilian operation experienced a failed Oracle implementation. Nonetheless, in 2013, Avon solicited SAP in a multi-year global software rollout. Unfortunately for Avon, the SAP rollout led to a $1 million software debacle. Users were not happy with the outcome. In fact, up to $125 million were written off. The debacle disrupted operations, and the ensuing struggle resulted in employees leaving the company. So what can we learn? In the Nike case, the problem was either tactical or strategic. Tactical problems are fixable, whereas strategic problems question whether a company should have purchased the solution. Nike believed the problem to be tactical. So why are these examples of failure relevant today? The idea that something so mundane as a computer glitch could affect the performance of a huge company is still so novel that it makes headlines. Happily, Nike fixed the problem later in the year and moved to SAP's ERP system for short and medium range planning. Moving on to Avon, we've learned digital natives, also known as millennials, are immersed in technology. Ben Kepps, article contributor, observed, traditional enterprise businesses are failing to offer the easy user experience that modern software customers need. In other words, today's users expect business software to be easy and simple to use. For additional reading, I discovered supplementary articles for the two examples we just reviewed. For example, in CIO Magazine, an article was written about the 5 lessons learned from Nike's i2 debacle. Examples of the lessons learned are defining a business goal and re-engineering processes. That concludes my presentation, but first I want to point out the sources used to support my overview. Thank you.